guys, this is Swara on this side and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry to keep you waiting for such a long time, but today I am back with another interesting video, which is the best reference books to use while preparing for a class 10 board examinations. So your schools must have started by now. So I thought of making this video because this video has a great demand, and all of the books which I am going to suggest to all of you are based on my experience. First of all, I must say that class 10 CBSE board exams do not require a lot of reference books. That means if you only stick with NCERT and one reference book, it will be enough for you, like more than enough I must say, and the PYQ is included of course. So without any further ado, let's get started. So starting with the first subject, which is English. To be really frank, I did not use any reference book for English, because English is a very theoretical subject in which even if you read NCERT and underline the word meanings, do the back exercise and the oral comprehension check given in between the chapters, you are good to go. You will be able to crack your English examination with very good marks. But even after this, if you feel that you need a reference book for English, then I will suggest you Oswald all-in-one book. Oswald's all-in-one book for English language and literature is really good because it gives you an insight of all the chapters along with the important PYQs, the chapter summaries, word meanings, antonyms, synonyms, etc. तो ये तो एक बहुत अच्छी बुक है जो आप रेफ़र कर सकते हो अगर आप करना चाहते हो. वरना अगर आप इंग्लिश के लिए कोई रेफरेंस बुक ना भी खरीदो तो भी इनफ है, मतलब कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है रेफरेंस बुक खरीदने की. Now moving on to the next subject, which is Hindi. Now since I had Hindi B, मुझे हिंदी कोर्स B था मेरे वक्त, तो इसलिए उसके लिए मैंने अरिहंत की बुक यूज़ की थी. Like for this I used Arihant. Arihant all-in-one book is also very good for Hindi, especially if you want the chapter summaries and the question answers, the PYQs, etc. Because the language used in Arihant books is also very high level, like शुद्ध हिंदी भाषा का प्रयोग किया गया है, and that actually leaves a very good impression, like you can improve your Hindi vocabulary using it. So I would suggest this book, Arihant all-in-one book, if you want to use in a reference book for Hindi. Otherwise, for languages, you can blindly follow NCERT, do the PYQs, back exercise questions, and you are good to go. Believe me. Now coming to the next subject, which is maths. I know it is the nightmare of most of the students, but believe me, if you will use these reference books, it won't be a nightmare for you anymore. ठीक है. First of all, NCERT, it's your Bhagavad Gita, you have to accept it. Second is you can solve NCERT exemplar, the exemplar which is published by NCERT itself. Okay, वो वाली यूज़ करना, उसमें से बहुत सारे सवाल आ जाते हैं. ठीक है. अदर देन दैट यू कैन गो विथ RD शर्मा और RS अग्रवाल. नाउ यू विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कि दीदी अब मैं RD शर्मा के साथ जाऊँ कि RS अग्रवाल के साथ. उसके बारे में भी एक वीडियो आ जाएगी जल्द, पर दोनों में से कोई एक भी बुक खरीद लोगे इनफ है, दोनों खरीदने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. डोंट लाइक सराउंड योर सेल्फ विथ अ ह्यूज पाइल ऑफ बुक्स, अदरवाइज तुम्हारा खुद का ही दिमाग ख़राब हो जाएगा. बस एक दो रेफरेंस बुक्स यूज़ कर लो मैक्स टू मैक्स, बस यू आर गुड टू गो. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू साइंस. ठीक है, साइंस कैन बी रियली स्कोरिंग इन बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन जस्ट लाइक मैथ्स, बट दीज टू सब्जेक्ट्स रिक्वायर अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. First of all, for science also, NCERT ultimate book, ultimate your Bhagavad Gita for class 10 board examinations, the back exercises and everything, all the questions of NCERT. Along with that, NCERT exemplar, the one which is officially published by NCERT, and the other one is S. Chand. Now you should not miss this book. S. Chand, I know it's a pretty, like it is a little bit priced, like it is quite expensive, but still it is a worth it book. Means if you are not able to understand any chapter of science, not if even if you are struggling with even one of the topics, S. Chand is a really good book. Even many YouTubers are studying and guiding the students with the help of this book itself. So you can purchase S. Chand, or you have the free PDFs also online. They have already provided the PDFs. वो जो PDF है पूरी तरीके से फ्री है, आप वहाँ से भी डाउनलोड करके ई बुक के फॉर्म में पढ़ सकते हो. बिकॉज S. Chand not only has the theory but along with that it also has a lot of questions, like all types of questions, case studies, MCQs, very short answer, long answer, hot questions, all the questions are present over there. So Eschen is a really good book, I must say. After that, coming to social science, I must say that for social science also किसी अलग बुक की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट इफ़ यू थिंक दैट योर सोशल साइंस इज़ अ बिट वीक, जैसे बहुत लोगों का होता है, बहुत लोगों को सोशल साइंस से काफ़ी डर लगता है, so for that I would like to suggest all in one, because honestly I didn't use any reference book for social science. I entirely depended on NCERT, and I didn't feel like using any reference book for SST because I feel it's a very scoring subject. Along with that, you can watch various YouTube channels videos as well, like Digraj sir, Shubham Pathak ma'am. These are like wonderful teachers and you'll be good to go. But still, if you want, then in 9th standard I had used all-in-one for social science and I found it to be quite good. Like there were obviously summaries, like there was 1 page summary. In history also, timelines play a very important role, so there was a complete timeline of all the important events that took place in a particular chapter. Along with that, solutions for all the NCERT back exercise questions, PYQs, etc. All of that was provided over there, so you can definitely check all of these books out if you want. So this was my list. So these were the subjects which I had for my class 10 board exam. So I'm sorry if I missed any of the subjects that I did not have, but some of you students might be having. So that's it for this video. Tell me in the comment section that on which topic do you want the next video on, and I'll surely try my best to make a video on that. Thank you. Stay safe, stay connected. Bye.